front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Sound and Vibration right away. Now, if you want to disable ringtone and enable only haptic feedback, tap on Vibrate. This way, you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you want to combine Ring and Vibrate, hit Ring here and tap on Ring only to disable vibrations, Vibrate when ringing, or Vibrate then ringing. When you finished, scroll, click on More Sound Settings available at the very bottom, and firstly click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable it. Last but not least, click on this one next to Touch Vibration to enable or disable vibrations for for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!